We have come together today to witness the union of Justin and Elizabeth. Marriage is the intimate union and equal partnership of a man and a woman. It comes to us from the hand of God, who created male and female in his image. Though man and woman are equal as God's children, they are created with important differences that allow them to give themselves and to receive the other as a gift.
The part that I'm looking forward to the most, me and Liz had a friendship before we ever started in this right here. And to build a closer relationship as a friend, but as a family also. And to grow our bond closer with God, but also to be spending time with our family, and even maybe later on in the future of us adding more to a family.
She's funny and she's loving, she's sweet, and I can tell she's a really good person. I mean, she's gonna be really good for me and Dad, not just me or not just Dad. I feel like she'll be good for both of us.
I think today, right now, how I'm feeling is I think I'm excited and nervous, all mixed up in one. That I get to marry my best friend and I get a bonus child, and we have our friends and family. That's probably what I'm most excited about. But I'm excited to see everybody, and finally the day's here.
Most of all that I'm looking forward to today is seeing Liz when she comes down the aisle, and I'll know that she'll be my wife that day.
I finally found someone that loves me for who I am, and he truly loves me because he's a good man, and I get to share my life with him and Chesney. And you know, everybody knows the story that I couldn't have kids, so when God sent me Justin, he has Chesney. And it was a little rocky at first, but she really completes us as a family, and I actually get to be a mom because of her, so it's exciting to marry Justin, and I love him because of who he is, but I get to love her too.
Chesney, you know how I always say God gave me you exactly when he knew I needed you? To you and your dad? You know, one time in my life, all I ever wanted was a baby, and God to bless me with a baby because I wanted to be a mother. God had something way bigger, and something was actually you. A spunky redhead, blue-eyed 10-year-old girl that I get to call my own. You were not given to me physically, but God knew I needed you, just like he knows you need me. God's plan always far exceeds anything I could ever imagine or dream of.
The part that I want more, I guess you would say, out of Liz and Chesney's relationship is to see that Chesney always knows that Liz will never take the place as a mom, but she will always be that bonus mom that Liz has always talked about, and that they will always be best friends for as long as our God leaves us here on earth.
Please help me in introducing Mr. and Mrs. Justin Secrets. You may kiss your bride.
think that the main thing that I'm looking forward to is finally being able to marry Justin, obviously, but the planning and the hard work and doing it together. I think a lot of times when people get married, the woman takes charge and does it all, but this time it was really different. Justin was really wanting to be involved, and he wanted to help and plan and the whole DJ and food and decorations and down to the service and how we wanted everything. So finally everything coming to fruition. That's probably the biggest thing I'm excited about. Plus I get to marry him. That's the best thing.
Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love.
I'm looking forward to her being a bonus mom, once again, stepmom. And I'm glad that we will be able to do like family stuff, even though we don't do that now, but it'll be knowing like this is like an extra parent, this is another mom that I can look forward to having, and that we're just going to do like more stuff with her. Yeah, she's like another mom. Yeah, kind of nice.